bro. Testing, testing. All right, it's working. It's working. Hey, bro. Oh, I fucked up on the title. Messed up on the title of the freaking live, bruh. Damn. Alright. Deezer? Gotta stop calling me that, man. Gotta stop calling me that, Deezer. What's good though, Deezer? What are you up to? Trying to remember what game Table Clash is under. Or Destiny Clash Defense. Destiny Clash Defense Duels. Destiny Clash Defense or Destiny Clash Defense Duels, whichever. We're not working on that today, but I am grabbing something from it. I'm grabbing the hitbox. Nothing much considering Roblox is getting banned in my country. Where are you from? What country are you in, bro? Due to the drama and all. Yeah, I heard it got banned, but it's so I don't know. Dude, I'm so out of the loop with all this shit. Like, I really don't care, to be honest, bro. I'm just trying to make a bag. I don't care about all this, like, all these politics around the platform, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But that sucks though. Like, which country is it? Yeah, that's the only one I knew of that was getting banned, Zom. But like I said, I'm far out of the loop. No, I heard it's gonna get banned in UK. I think that's a rumor. That's a pretty big. That I don't see happening at all. I don't see that happening at all. I mean, the platform is massive in the UK. Massive in the UK. If that shit gets banned in the UK, you're gonna see a lot of fucking people move to America. I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna see a lot of UK people move to America. That's gonna be crazy, crazy, crazy. Very fucking crazy, bro. Alright, we're gonna try to have good posture. Like, we're gonna try to have good posture. I don't know if we're gonna be successful. Let me grab in the coffee killer real quick. And then I'm gonna put in this hitbox. What I'm gonna do though, bro, if this drama don't end, I'm making my own Roblox. Yeah, go for it, bro. I mean, dude, it definitely went mainstream. I mean, Pensions was talking about it. Now, the last thing something like this happened, it wasn't like, it was a different, there was something else. It was like a black market or something on the platform. I really don't fucking know, bro. I don't be paying attention, but it was like years ago, and it didn't really go mainstream. There was some viral videos, but it never actually like made it to the news, I don't think, and it didn't really go mainstream at all. Like no big content creators were picking it up. This kind of went crazy, so I mean, we'll see what the platform's doing, bro. I have no fucking idea. I will see what happens, bro. But all I know right now is that you can still make a bag, so that's like my only concern right now, to be honest. If I find that it's gonna be near impossible to make a bag soon, then I am leaving the platform for sure. And we'll see what I get into. But yeah. Alright. Okay, am I sharing my screen? Am I? I am, okay. I was like hovering over the wrong windows. Alright. Okay. Yo, that's kind of lit. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a red hitbox for like if you're able to steal, like it'll turn red maybe. And then maybe if it has money and you're near it, it'll be green. So maybe we'll do that. But let me experiment with this color real quick. Yeah, that looks good. What about yellow? Yellow looks alright. Green looks really good, actually. But it's like the same color as the ground. I wonder if I should change the ground color. I'm just gonna try something here, see if it looks good or not. I need to remove the studs though, that's what I need to do. Does that look good or does that look ass? Because then you'll be able to see these if I use these hitboxes and I animate these, you'll be able to see them. I feel like that could be good, but at the same time, I have no idea. We definitely need to change the color though. Oh, that looks good. I'm not gonna lie, that looks good. That looks kind of good, no? And then we still have this road here. Because then, like, so I'm going to use this as hover. So whenever you're hovering over the whatchamacallit, when you're hovering over like the UI, when the prompt pops up, I don't know why I'm having a hard time explaining my shit. When the prompt pops up, this is gonna be in an animation, and it's gonna be like, you know, you'll be able to interact with it. I think I like that a lot. I think that'll be clean. Just an extra little addition to make it like clean. They don't have this in any other game. It's probably not needed, but I think I'll like it. And then it'll be different colors. It'll be different colors. Like we'll have this green color. So let me actually get that going here. And then we'll do a red color. And then we'll do a yellow color. All right, so for this, basically, what, making a brain rot game, because it's a good idea. It's a team-based brain rot game, bro. It's a pretty good idea. And yeah, I'm just following the trends. So after this, I'm gonna be trying to come up with a unique theme. Like, you know how there was like Steal a Brain Rot, then there was like My Singing Brain Rot. You know what I mean? And then there's Grow a Garden. And all these games, if you guys really pay attention to the game design of all three of these games that I listed, that are some of the platform's #1 games, if not the #1 games on the platform, they all are very, very similar in mechanics and game loop. And they all do very well. The difference between them is that they all have a unique aspect. You know what I mean? And they were the first of their kind. The way they did what they did, no other game was doing it like the way they were doing it. And so now, if you haven't noticed, games that are very strategic and smart in the way that they make it the exact same. No, I don't, bro. Games that basically keep in mind the mechanics in the game loop, and they like make it the same basically, but they add a unique aspect. Those games do really freaking well. That's why My Singing Brain Rot did really well. It's the same game as a Steal a Game. It's just they do it a little differently. It's unique, right? So that's what I'm trying to work with right now. Now, this game was an idea that came to me off of a new game called Bingle. And so I just came up with this, and I think this is a good idea. Now, but it's no longer a simulator, it's match-based. So it has like simulator vibes, but it's like match-based. So you don't have your money that you can watch grow and try to grow, right? It's just team-based, there's winners, and so on. So it is very different, and I'm going to have to, because of that, I'm going to have to find a reward system that works. Not just, oh, you won the match, here's some dopamine real quick, but here's something you get that you can carry with you in your experience playing this game. I haven't found what that is yet. Like, yeah, in-game currency, cool, but like, are we doing, like, what I would do is probably just gems. Keep it basic and just do gems. I don't really know. I mean, you can join the Discord and talk to people, but I don't really know people personally that are actively hiring that I would trust to be good to work with. You know what I mean by that? So, yeah. I'm gonna have to say no on that. But, did you make the brain rot models? No, Sinners. Lazoom did. Lazoom made the brain rot models and the animations, bro. And that's what I was doing. I was getting my colors down. Getting a nice yellow. Is that a good yellow? Kind of like, that's fine. That's fine, we can use that. I mean, it's kind of the same as this. Let's see how it looks on it, though. I don't know. Oops. If I'm going up to this trying to interact, is this enough of a queue? Is this enough of a queue? I think I should make it a different color, to be honest. I'm gonna make it a different color. What color can I go for, though? That makes sense. Blue, maybe? Green is if they have money on them. Maybe I should just do blue. But that's not really like a pickup situation. Maybe orange is the way to go. Orange is the way to go. Yeah, no worries, bro. Oh, fuck. Is that enough of a difference? You know what? I can actually change this. I can change this, bro. I can change this, and we can just go for the yellow. So I'll change the color of this. Do we change it to orange? Or just keep it red? I'm thinking red. Yeah. Just keep it red, bro. Keep it simple. And then now we can make this yellow. That looks good. That looks fine. Wish it looked like brighter. The yellow doesn't really look like too yellow, bro. Alright, that's fine. We're just gonna keep it like that. I think that looks good. Alright. So it's gonna basically be yellow. Yellow when they... Alright, so it's gonna be like yellow when they pick it up from the platform. Alright. Then it's gonna be red when they steal it. And then if it's running around at all out here, it's gonna be green. Alright. And this is only when a player is next to it and the prompt is activated. So yeah. This is just for the player to visually see that they can pick it up, and the color is going to determine the state of what's going on. There's also money VFX when they have money attached to them. So we'll see. We'll see how that looks, bro. I don't know. I think it's all right. We're just gonna title this Hitbox. There's already 2 players still at brain rot? Oh my gosh. Well, it's a good thing that this isn't 2 players still at brain rot. No, it's not. It's team-based. It's match-based. Team and match-based. And also, the 2 players still at brain rot is kind of corny. I don't know... I don't really understand that game because... it's literally just still a brain rot with 2 people, but you still get your own brain rots, and you still get your own dugout, so I don't really get it. But either way, no, this is not the same game. It's completely different. It's match-based, bro. Match-based, still a brain rot. Alright, what am I doing? Okay. Kind of. It's whoever collects the most money, bro. You can't kill each other, though, I don't think. I don't think I'm gonna make that a thing. Maybe I will. I don't know. I don't think that'll be fun, though, to be honest. I think that would change the way the game is gonna be played. I made a class for the bases. What do you mean by that? Like object oriented? I don't think I did, Salmon. I don't think I did, but what up, Salmon? Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do now. So these, I tried something with this. This just, I could not get this to work for the life of me, and it's because of, I think, the way that these work. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a different thing. So, we're gonna have the hitbox. Local hitbox equals VFX. Wait for child. Hitbox. Where's the VFX at? It's right here. Alright. So we're gonna have the hitbox. And then right here, we're gonna say prompt shown, and then we're gonna say clone model hovering equals clone. And then we're gonna say if clone model hovering equals clone, then clone model hovering equals nil. So we're gonna do this up here. We're gonna create a variable. Where should we put it? Where's a good place to put it? I think right here. Clone model hovering. Okay. And then here we're gonna go down to our run service. We're gonna say if clone model hovering, then if hitbox.parent does not equal workspace, then hitbox.parent equals workspace. Hitbox.cframe equals clone model hovering dot primary part dot cframe. And then we'll have if hitbox dot size does not equal clone model hovering dot primary part dot size, then hitbox dot size equals this right here, and then that should work. Else, if hitbox dot parent does not equal replicated storage, then hitbox dot parent equals replicated storage. And actually, this is gonna change. This is gonna change right here. I'm not gonna do this. I need to actually look up code real quick, but I just want to see if this works. I just want to see if this works. All right, let me see real quick. Selection box, surface color 3, hitbox dot selection box dot surface color 3 equals color, local color equals yellow color if child get attribute team, then color equals red color, else if child get attribute has money, or no, that's not right. What's the attribute for Oh, it is has money. I was right. Okay. Has money. Then color equals green color. Hitbox dot selection box dot surface color equals color. Right on, bro. What up, Aqua? What up, Squishy? What up, Bacon? What up, Builder Beast? What game am I working on today? I'm working on that match-based steal a game, bro. Match-based steal a game is what I'm working on. And I also need to grab some code from one of my other code bases. And it is gonna be the Table Clash. And I am going to grab the animation for the hitbox. So animate circle, isn't it? Where is that animation at? Where is that animation at? Apply body color. Handle enemy highlights. Tween Z axis. Is this it? I think that's it. It is. That is it. So I'm going to snag this. And we're going to put this at the top of our script here. I should not be calling this right here. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, I will call it under this. Alright. Now, I need to grab some more code, and we're gonna say this right here, if not hitbox task. Alright. Now we're gonna say right here, if not hitbox task, and then hitbox task can be another variable right here. And then we'll have this right here. I don't know why I commented this out. I think just because it wasn't working. There was something up with this logic I never solved. But that is okay for now. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it even works. Infinite yield on money per team. Well, I hope that that's not true. Wow, did I not save? I'm actually... I did save it, so what's going on? How far behind is this, bro? How far behind is this project? Because I saved it. Like, I always... Bro, I double save whenever I leave the studio, bro. So that really fucking annoys me. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but because of that, I don't know what else could be, like, missing. That's crazy, bro. Like, it's actually fucking absurd. Fucking only Roblox, bro. Especially when I literally remember saving. It's fucking ridiculous. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do for that. Alright. That's simple, but I still don't know why that was gone. 480 Robux premium payouts for my private game, even when I was only person testing it. Why? I have no idea why, bro. I have no idea. I don't know. Are you a premium Roblox user? But I think premium payouts is gonna end here soon. Hey, that looks lit, does it not? And see, this is the problem I had. Once it starts animating, it won't ever animate again. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. That's what I never resolved. Why is that? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I remember that now, and it just like makes zero freaking sense, dude. So this is what I'm gonna do here. I think this is what fixed it, is just removing that. But then we're gonna be animating it at all times. We're gonna be animating it at all times, I think now. But I was like, fuck it. It's whatever. Let's see if it worked though. Let's see if it worked. There's a new bug in Studio too, that sometimes my character moves forward without me, or like the last keybind I press, my character will continue to move there until I press it again. Let's see if it worked. Yeah, it did work. So we're just animating it now. Animating it all the time. It's like whatever. But we only need to do it when there's when we're hovering over it. And we need to change the size, I think. Where's our tween at, bro? Size, original size X equals hovering equals hovering, clone hovering model. Clone hovering model dot primary part dot size. And then what we're gonna have to do now is we're gonna have to recall this. We're gonna have to recall this. Instead of this, well, we could have that. If not hitbox, or hitbox dot size does not equal. I don't fucking know, dude. Actually, we're gonna have to keep a variable. Yeah. Do you have a bug where the camera moves itself in Roblox Studio? No, not that. No. I mean, well, it's whatever. It's movement. It's like the same thing. It's like camera. It could be camera movement or the character movement, whichever I'm doing. But it just like, it's the last keybind and it happened. I don't know what causes it, but sometimes it'll just move on its own and I have to like repress it to stop it. So I don't really know what that is, but I don't really care. It's not like an issue, you know what I mean? It's just like, it's there. What am I trying to do here? I forgot. Oh yeah, I need to keep a variable here. Original size. I need to keep a variable called original size, and here's why. Clone not hovering if original size, or if original size does not equal clone hovering dot primary part dot size. What is this? Why is this? There we go. All right, so now now it's like I have to do this. I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. We'll test it. I'm thinking about renewing my premium and AFK on my own game if that is how things work. I mean, would it be worth it? That's an interesting situation. But they're taking out premium payouts. So that's kind of cool. W hitbox or what? I like it. W hitbox, bro, or what? Like, I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. Why don't I use ChatGPT? What am I using ChatGPT for? What would I use ChatGPT for? Memory on the client must be so good with all the hitbox tweening. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean it must be so good? It's only one tween. And it, yeah, I think so at least. Fuck if I know, honestly. It's not working though. Carrier ID. If clone model hovering equals clone. If hitbox.parent does not equal replicated storage. This is why. This is why right here. Clone model hovering and this is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. I have to make sure that I have to add in another variable, dude. The sound, it's of this random guy on the sound, like the Roblox sound, saying help in like a weird voice. And I sped it up to like 2. Like I did, like, so it's twice the speed. And it ended up, now you can't even hear him or nobody sounds like. Oh, see, now that's not working. So here's what I have to do. Here's what I have to do. Can I get, if I'm setting this to nil, will it catch it? That's an interesting thing. equals nil. And varying equals clone. Varying equals nil. This is a very fucking interesting thing that I'm doing, and it's only that I'm trying to rush this mechanic to work. What do you mean scripting? Why would I use ChatGPT for scripting, bro? ChatGPT sucks. I use it for some math and then ideas, really. That's really all I use it for. And then maybe like certain questions. We fixed it. That's a fix right there. Does it look weird though? Nah, it doesn't look weird. That small ass hitbox. So we fixed it, guys. Does that even look... Does this even look good? Is this worth it? Is this freaking worth it, bro? I can't tell if it's worth it or not. Did I just add in a stupid mechanic? Did I just add in stupid visuals? Let's go to our tween, though. What's the original size? Okay, and then we have... What's the size... New size, shrinking, goal, Z. Goal, Z. I don't understand what this is, bro. This is like weird code right here. I think I actually did. Hey, FGF, this is probably... I probably used ChatGPT for this. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably a ChatGPT function that I've changed a little bit. Because I don't remember these variables right here. So sometimes I will have ChatGPT make small functions too. Small functions that I don't have to spend time thinking about, that I know it's not going to fail at. You know what I mean? But that's very seldom, because it would have to be something super basic. Because it really isn't that good at getting deep into logic. It's terrible, actually. But what is new Z? Where's new Z at? So new size. Okay, so new Z. I get it now. I get it now. So shrinking and goal Z. Oh, is that what you were talking about, Eclipse? The memory leak. That's what you were talking about. I see the potential memory leak right here, the tween. But don't tweens get cleaned up automatically, though, when they're done playing? You don't have to clean tweens up, so maybe not. I don't know. Do tweens get auto-cleaned? Is that a thing, bro? Let's ask the nerds of Roblox. I think they do. I want to say they do. I've never cleaned up a tween before. I've never cleaned up a tween before, bro. I want to say they do. I've never had an issue with that. You don't even know, Zom. You don't even know, bro. Come on, bro. Do you know? I like the hitbox. I'm not even gonna lie. Call tween destroy. I like the hitbox. I'm not even gonna lie. And then look at the... So I got the exclamation here. If they're trying to escape. And then the hitbox is really only to let players know, like, hey, you're hovering over somebody. You know what I mean? Like, that's really all it is. It looks nice. Thanks a lot, bro. I appreciate you. Not if you still have a reference to them. See? What up, Augie Gaming? What up, bro? He says do it anyway. He says do it anyway. That's my cleanup. Just covering our bases, I guess. What type of games you making? You know what's crazy? Some stuff, it really is that simple. By adding in stuff like this, you can clean up your memory leaks. And this is, I think, essentially what, like, those things like Maid and Janitor do. They just do it for you. What type of game am I making? I'm making a Steelig Brainrot, but match-based, so team-based game. The game's actually done, I think. I want to say it is. Yeah, here's the game. The thumbnail! What the fuck? This is the second time that that's happened. I can never get the thumbnail right, bro. Why can I never get the thumbnail right? Like, I've uploaded 2 thumbnails and they still have these boxes on them, bro. I don't get it at all. And it's the same... It's the same freaking thing, dude. I just don't get it. I just don't get it, bro. I don't know why that's a thing. Streaming for 48 minutes. It feels like an hour already, dude. And we're not even closing in at an hour. I'm also gonna do a poll. Shit, that's Q&A. I don't even know. That's a stupid poll. Hold on. What poll should I make? What poll should I make? Actually, I'm gonna do a Q&A. I'm gonna do a Q&A. We'll do a Q&A. Q&A. Q&A that motherfucker. Q&A that motherfucker. That motherfucker, baby. That motherfucker, baby. PC only? What do you mean, bro? I don't have PC play. Is it only PC? It shouldn't be. Let me change it. I mean, dude, like anybody, any platform can play it except for like VR, I guess. How do I go to platforms? Yeah, console, tablet, phone, computer. Any platform can play it right now. And I still see it messed up. I wonder why. I wonder why that is. I literally am looking at it all messed up. I don't like that. I guess I'll just do this one for now. Alright. I'm using the glow game icon right now, which is the one I didn't want to use, but fuck it. Like, it doesn't even matter. 3 years eclipse. Damn, shit. Have you had any success yet or no? I think we talked about this already. It's fire, dude. What is Raba talking about? Is that a screenshot of me? Raba, you ain't even say anything in the damn stream. You ain't even say anything in the damn stream, Raba. Let you join? Yeah, for sure. Give the game a thumbs up, bro. Even if you like it. Don't give it a thumbs up if you don't like it, though. Holy shit, this guy is high up. I should probably get him down. He's all the way high up, he can't even get down. Alright. Alright, what do we got going on here, dude? So, I have to figure out... I don't know. If you guys can send suggestions to team-based games that have, like, goal... Let me just look up team. Honestly. Like, team-based games that have goals on the screen. That's kind of what I need right now. These like, duo obbies are crazy to me. Can't believe they get so popular. What's also crazy to me is every single thumbnail are the default fucking skins. You would think that's outplayed, but it doesn't seem so. It still works. Like, I feel like, I wonder if not using those give you a less click-through rate, but I guess we might find out here soon. Have you checked row trends? What is row trends? What is that? How does Bingle do it? I forgot how Bingle does it. I mean, even though this isn't a Bingle game, it was inspired by Bingle. Even though it's, like, fairly different. Bingle has that bar at the top, I think. The game sounds are crazy. Are they like bad though? Are they bad or nah? Are you in the game, Salmon? Like, see, this is the bingo bar at the top. Round time, and then it has all this stuff. So I guess I could just do that, right? But I don't know how to make it look. Bro. And I feel like it would be important to figure out a smooth way to do it. Like, right now, I was thinking of billboard UIs. And just, that way you don't have to have the theme. So that was kind of a cool bug. I was floating with the object. I'm sure it was a bug, though. Like, it wasn't intentional. It's cool? Got you. Yeah, so right now I'm trying to determine the UI. I have a billboard situation set up already that I want to finish. And I was just going to say... I was just going to have a money billboard for each team that you'd be able to see. So you could just look at that across the map and see the money, right? But I feel like it might also be important to have something on the screen. So I don't really know. What the fuck? This game is so buggy, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Good game, though. I feel like it's... I don't know how popular it's going to get. I think it's going to do well for a bit. But, it's very buggy. It's very buggy. Obviously, people don't care that much, though, because it's still fun. And it's a really cool concept. And it's just good gameplay. So yeah, I wonder how far this game will go. Very interesting game here. Very interesting game. People not being carried. Wait, you were carrying the brain rot, then he flipped the table? What table are you talking about? What are you talking about? Did I click it? Okay. It's... I still gotta put the money in, right? Who's on the robbers, bro? I'm gonna be a burglar, bro. I'm gonna be a burglar. And that's fucked. Oh, shit. I gotta clean this UI up. This is terrible. This is honestly terrible. I made this way too big. So this is crazy. This is a bug that I had. I thought I fixed. Like, I can't get out of here now. Crazy. Thought I fixed that. It's not I don't think it might be a bug, but I don't really know. Yeah, see, there needs to be UI. I think it should be... Oh, fuck, he got me, dude. Yeah, this UI is crazy. I need to fix this ASAP. And there's no swing animation, obviously. So you gotta, like... What? He just stole our... He just stole it! Yo, get him, bro! Yo! No. Oh, wait, that's my teammate. That's my teammate, too. I'm messing up my team, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, we got put on the same team now. We all got put on the same team. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this game might actually be fun, bro. I need to like hurry up and fix these bugs, these little bugs, and polish up the game, bro. That's supposed to be... Why is that the green one? It's using the green one though for the knockback. Let me check that real quick. Let me look at that real quick. Knockback highlights. See, I see right there. Boom. All right, cool. There we go. Red highlight fixed. So what I'm gonna actually do, bro, is I'm just gonna publish what I have right now and restart the server. All right, there we go. We'll see what happens, bro. This is actually fun, not gonna lie. I think, dude, I think so too. Bro, Eclipse, we might have a good game here. We might have a good game here. I'm not gonna lie, bro. We might have a good game here. Better map choice or what? Better map choice or what? Is it like really awful? And the highlights are still kind of messing up a little bit. Just a little bit. They have money now. And there's like no... Oh, dude, we're locked out now. We're locked. So this is not working, bro. I gotta fix that. Tries stealing brain rot. He somehow end up carrying you. He tries stealing a brain rot. I have to wait, dude. Dude, this is... Yo, guys, I gotta, like, lock in here because this game actually is funner than I thought it would be. I gotta, like, fucking fix this shit and, like, finish this, bro, and polish it up. What else do I need to do, though? I keep forgetting. Alright, so the steal... You said the steal system is not working. Oh, I see why. Never mind, I don't see why. It's because actors stolen, fire. I don't know why that is. I don't know why that is. I think it's because the weld is not destroyed. Is it not? I always destroy the weld though, because look at this. Current weld. Weld to actor. This is the only weld I think that gets yeah, set. Either way, one thing at a time here though. I have to fix this UI right here is bugging. This UI right here is bugging, bro. I need to fix that ASAP. So let me fix that real quick. That's the first thing, because that is just not acceptable. What I'm gonna do here is money controller. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to fuck. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's right here. It's right here. No, it's not. Money per team. Monies. These are billboards. Where? Notifications. Notifications, bro. That's right. Okay, so where's the frame? There is the frame. So we're gonna like half it. We're gonna half it. I think halving it should be fine. Maybe even like fucking twoing it, bro. Like, to be honest. And then in this, we're gonna make this the size of 5. Yeah, we're just gonna make it the size of 5. And then we'll see how that works. Alright, guys. I'm gonna reset the server again, guys. I'm gonna reset the server again. Oh, Star's in this bitch, bro. What up, Star? How do you guys like the gray texture though, the basic base plate? I actually kind of like it, but I feel like it's a little dark in game, so I'm gonna turn it up. I actually like it though, like it's not bad. All right. I think that's gonna fix the UI. The next thing that's on my list is ooh, somebody stole shit. That sounds lit. Got some remote event issues. Check your warnings in your game. Got some remote event issues. Got you, bro. We're just gonna do one step at a time here, Eclipse, because we can't fix everything at once. Bro. I'm gonna fix the gate issue first, alright? Because that's actually kind of annoying. So let's see, bro. This is just very weird. The way I'm doing it is weird. I was trying to do it fast. It obviously is not working out the way I wanted it to. Gate name. If not gate wall, then return. That should never even be a thing. That should never even be a thing. We're not even going to worry about that. Bars. Find first child. Bars. We're not even going to worry about that. If it errors, it errors. If action equals close. If gate name does not equal player.team, then okay. Then team.name bars can collide. All right. Let's check on the set team. Set team. Set team by choice. For every team in teams get teams. Team.name. Gate state. As timer. This is bad code. I'm not gonna lie, I rushed it, and now it's like making me mad. What I really think would be better is doing this check first, then getting the action, then getting the action. All right. So if gate name does not, and this is really team name, so if gate name does not equal player dot team dot name, then if action close, I'm gonna get out of here real quick. What do you, what did you mean about the remote event issues though? Let me see real quick. If action equals close, then if the gate isn't their gate, if the gate is not their gate, then we're going to do this. All right. Else, if it is their gate, then we're going to do this. Right? Am I tripping or what? No, this is why I did it this way, because it's easier to do it the other way, the action-based one. Let me just try and fix that, bro. This is like annoying because it's just bad code that I'm working with, bro. It's just so flunky or funky. All right, so if it's close, if it's not the team, can collide equals true. Bars get children. Else if it's action, can collide equals false. Can collide equals false. If has timer. Okay. I genuinely don't know why that's messing up, bro. Let me close out of this. I've already grabbed what I needed from it. Shit, dude. I don't fucking know, man. It's a weird situation. And I used, I don't know why I used events. I mean, I just used an event. I don't know. How could I have made this easier though to prevent this odd situation where when I join a team, it's not letting me. Player.team equals teams. So this part's working. I don't know why I need the root part. Oh, okay, this right here. Let's do this. Let's just do this up here. I'd rather have it up here. There's no reason for this to be like where it is. Okay. So yeah, as it is. I mean it like works. Yeah, so it works in studio. I don't understand why it's not working here then. Yeah, like I thought I fixed this, but I guess I fucking didn't. Let me do one more test. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to join the same team as the gate has been closed. That, I feel like that is what the mess up is because maybe I joined the team as it was already closed. It's obviously going to be closed for me because I was on not the team yet. So I'm going to go to robbers. How the fuck is he already in robbers, bro? What? Because it was automatic, but he still gets the button? Kind of confused, bro. Kind of confused. He still gets the team selection, but he's not on the team. Or he's on the team. So this guy, all right, let me close the gate. I can see the gate being closed. Let me join robbers. There it is right there. That's the issue. I was right. So what's happening is for some fucking reason, that's so weird. What? Let me see. Let me just double check this shit. The gate state is closed. So yeah, the gate state is either closed. Let me warn gate state actually. Let me do the same thing just real quick so then we'll know 100% and I can just fix it right here and now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to warn the gate state as I'm doing that. Okay? So gate state and then we'll know for sure and the gate state is the action. All right. So what kind of game is this? It's a match-based Steela game. Match-based Steela game. Um, all right, so I'm on burglars here, activating the gate. Gate is closed. Going to go over to robbers. Gate is open. What? What? Gate state isn't open, it's closed. What? That actually confused the hell out of me, I'm not gonna lie. Where's my gate states at, bro? Where's my gate states at? State per gate. State per gate. Yeah, makes no sense to me. Makes no sense to me, bruh. Are my team buttons messed up? Like, what? No, they're not. Like, what the fuck? Team. Team.name. Oh, it printed it twice because we're doing team. So it was close and then open. Okay, that makes sense. But we're on the same team and it's closed. So what runs on that? If close. Here's the fix right here. And I'm actually a goofball for not seeing it sooner, honestly. Boom. That's it right there. That's fixed. So now, and then we don't need to fix that. We don't need to worry about that because that's open. All right. So we're good now. We're good. That fixes that. All right. Now, what were some of the other issues that we got going on here? Um, the stealing mechanic. The stealing mechanic. Let me test that real quick and see what that's about. Because I really have no freaking idea. Best advice for a beginner. Go to my go to my playlist and go to the beginner scripting playlist. And then what you do from there is you yeah, go to my playlist and then hold on a second. That was kind of interesting. So that looks a lot better, but let me see if I can try to awesome. So that's working better now. I think that's fine for now. Uh, Now let's try to steal it. Worked for me, bro. I don't know what they were talking about. And this should be also going to this right here. So this shouldn't have a team now that now that I've stolen it. That's crazy. I just successfully stole it. That's pretty cool though. All right, what else needs? I don't know what he's talking about with the steal. I think what he's talking about is if he's trying to if he's trying to take one from a player that was already holding one. I think that's what he was talking about. I don't know what situation he meant by carrying, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I have to go here. So is if they're trying to take it from somebody that's already taking it, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. I see what's going on now. There we go. That fixes that. Shouldn't have that issue anymore, bro. I think I just actually fixed it. I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Is anybody still playing it? Don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking, I don't know, bro. I'm thinking the billboards could work, honestly. Like maybe I'm just overthinking it, bro. It's really not that deep. I feel like the billboards could work. There's notifications. There's notifications for, you know, whatever you call it. And I really need to put, um, yeah, see, notifications. I collected 50 for, the team. I feel like that's fine for now, honestly. I feel like that's okay. It's just the notifications are kind of dookie butter looking. And they're a bit big. They're on the bigger side, bro. They're on the bigger side. But you can only have two at a time, so that's the good news. What's a good time for notifications to be on a player's screen? Short, quick info. 2 to 3 seconds. Medium importance. Quest completed. You ranked up. So I'm gonna do 2 to 3 seconds. Because right now it's 6 seconds. That's like fucking a lot, honestly. So we'll do notifications. Default notification time 2.5. I think that'll be a lot better. Am I locked? Am I locked in? I feel like I'm locked. Dude, I'm having such a hard time. I'm having such a hard time choosing between billboards or freaking screen. Jesus. I'm gonna join. I'm gonna join the Steela game and see how their UI is again. Even though it's not team-based, I just want to see like what all they got going on. I know they got currency at the bottom left. I feel like that's something that we should be doing, but yeah. I don't really know. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. Yeah, so they got currency at the bottom left. All right. just got fucking smacked.
Cocofanto elefanto.
I mean, if I put it at the bottom left, bro, on mobile, it's just gonna look like you're just gonna be, your thumb's gonna be on it the whole time, so you're not really gonna be paying attention to it, I feel like. Let me do this. Let's see. I'm gonna go on the mobile and see how it looks on the mobile. The bottom of the screen. Yeah, I mean, your thumb is just gonna be in the way. So I could put it on the right. I could put it on the right, like in a column. That might be good. Maybe, I don't know. What the fuck is that sound? What is this fucking sound, bro? I'm not even in the right game. What game is this? This is not the game I wanted to go to. Oh, it's feed a brain rot, not steal a brain rot. Alright. Alright, steal the brain rots. Yeah, they just have it at the bottom left too, bro. Which I guess is okay. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I guess I could do that. For now, at least. Just for now. Yeah, sure, we'll do that, I guess. I don't know. But our timer, I'm gonna change the timer a little bit. So Alright, so that works. Oh, it didn't work though. It worked until it fucking didn't work. Jesus Christ. Starting in... Alright. And I also need to do the money thing first, bro. I really need to have that done. Just gonna get these billboards up first. Still says starting in, like that's so annoying, dude. Why does it do that? I need to run it inside the function, that's why. Alright, I know that's gonna work now. Size equals 0.2. What about my time left? Countdown UI is position size is 0.085. So what I'll do is notifications. I do position from scale 0.85. Alright. That's lit, bro. That's fucking lit, dude. Fucking litty titty, dog. Absolutely fucking litty titty. Alright. Finish the money billboards. The size of these is actually got to be pretty fucking big. Okay. I'm gonna just do 2 frames. So frame. I probably don't even actually need a frame for this. I'm gonna just do a text label because I'm being lazy. Okay. And then that layout order is gonna be 1. Then I'll do a frame. And that layout order is going to be 2. Gonna heat up my coffee. Be right back. Cat standing right there. Just a little baby cat, you mean? Just a little baby cat, you mean? Alright, so one person voted for the billboard, one person voted for the screen. So what should it be? I don't know. Alright, but I am gonna lock in the what the fuck? They're meowing up a storm. Alright, I am gonna lock in. I'm gonna hop off real quick. Hop off the stream. Alright, thanks for everybody for tuning into the stream, and I will see you guys later. Peace out. I might stream the game when it's like fully finished, but I don't know yet. We'll see. All right. Peace out.